Now introduce the function of machine. This is key of image turn upside down. And it is key of image rotating left and right. This is not the volume of the keystroke voice, but in the spectral state, the voice of the heart beating. If we didn't hear anything in the spectrum state, let us check the state of volume key. If the voice set the minimum, there will be no sound. Next, we introduce the initial setup of software. First, we press button preset. After we press it, it is going to this interface. On the top left corner of the screen, under the drop-down list of the system setup, the first option is General. The second is Network. The third is Doctors. We can set up the information of doctors in advance. The fourth option is Application. Normally, we don't use this button, but we need to know it. Enter the first option, General. How to change the name of hospital. Enter the corresponding hospital name in the first blank of first tab. And the present time is showed in the below blanks. The next row is the choice of 7 languages. And this is model name, which can be named by the interior of the hospital. The bottom part is for printer connection. The installed printer is shown in the left blank box. There are 2 blank boxes about printer at the bottom right of interface. The first option is Report Printing. How to select corresponding printer? If under Report Printer option appear an unneeded printer, click to clear it. Click Needed Printer in the left blank box. Click, the needed printer will be shown on the right blank box. For the second video printer choice box, we have to choose the thermal printer in the left blank box. The bottom row is Battery port. We don't have to set it. The second tab is Device. The first line is Auto Freeze. We didn't turn on Auto Freeze in the factory setting. We can choose different times. When the set time has passed, it freezes automatically. This is TGC display line. We can turn it off or choose different display times. The third beep of key is key touch sound. We can choose to turn on or turn off. About RY box color, we can change different color of the sampling frame line in color state. For PW sample color, we can change different color of the sampling line in PW state. The sixth sensitivity of ROI, we select the last option, slowly moving in general. The seventh PW auto switch in general, we select the option on so that we didn't press button update to refresh data. Just moving the mouse, the PW waveform stop. It automatically enters the sampling state. In the DICOM tab, we can set up host, server, port, and title. In Storage tab control, the first is playback storage frame number. The maximum is 2000 frames. We select 200 frames for normal use. About auto loop seat is the number of replays. The next one is storage format. The format of image storage, including whether it is stored in machine or UDisk. For the data path, we choose local disk. For SAND buffer, if have SAND function, we choose the frame rate in SAND state. In Endomark tab control, we can choose definite font size, font color, arrow size, body mark position according to your preference. About measurement tab control. The formula is optional. We select the corresponding formula according to different race measurement. If it is scarce, use a similar formula or the doctor's needs in his judgment. The last obstetric tables control tab. For BPD measurement, we can select different age tables according to different race. For example, in China we select China age tables. Then click Default. About fetal weight on the right screen is the same way to select as age tables. For growth tables also the same. The network is similar as DICOM function. Enter the suite option doctors. We can add new doctors information. After finished, it is automatically displayed on the report page. For the last option application, we will focus on it. The system preset include this machine can be equipped with probes. Each probe is matched with the corresponding measurement package. Take an example. Abdominal probe can be used in abdominal, renal, urology, obstetrics, gynecology, pelvic, aorta, including the veins and arterial vessels of abdominal, great vessels, muscular, and generic. Each probe corresponding the difference, such as superficial probe. It works on the neck, small parts, breast, muscular and vascular. The cavity probe works on gynecology, intracavitary, urology. The microconvex probe mainly works on cardiac. And this 6.5 mHz microconvex probe works for cardiac, gynecology, urology. There are 3 different microconvex probes. According to the different doctors' needs to choose different frequency probe. Next, we talk about each department preset parameter. In general tab control, we preset the depth, size, focus, position, mirror turn on or turn off, up, down, reverse turn on or turn off. We don't need to adjust to the option on the right, except exceptional. In B-mode tab control, we can preset the parameter of gain, frequency, frames, averages, dynamic range, power waves, noise, and so on. These parameters goes into the boot condition. We can adjust the parameters in M mode and PW mode tab control, including the annotation tab control. There are body mark and puncture line. If we are going to use the puncture line, tick the checkbox. Then click OK in the bottom of the screen. Next, click Exit. Until now, the function of puncture line is not activated. How to activate? Reselect the probe. Press button probe, select department, then select probe, then reaccess. Now it's set up. About the function of puncture line, first press button puncture line. It is shown on screen how to adjust position of the puncture line. Press the quick key to match the blue highlight option on the bottom row. Continuous press quick key of guide rotate puncture line is rotate continuously. Continuous press quick key of get pending puncture line is translational movement continuously. Press quick key of F interval adjust the depth of puncture. Thanks for watching.